Right, I've bagged myself 120 litres of free waste veg oil, but to get it, I need the van, and the van hasn't got an MOT. So I need to get this battery in Porsche, get this all cleaned up, tell you a little bit about the welder, and unbox with a new welder, and then get some work done on the van. So let's crack on. Managed to get that in without making any old man noises.
I wouldn't even be able to lift it in.
Oh, no water. That means I haven't fixed that leak. Right, it'll be okay just to move it. I'm only pulling it forward a bit. First start. That's not bad, just been started for 3 months. As you can see, we've got the ABS light on. This is the front passenger side. ABS sensor broke. I don't have a front one. You can't get them. They're expensive and they break when you take them out, so you can't really get them second hand. So I've got a spare back one. I'm going to give that a try, see if it works. So first one I'm going to do is connect it up, see if the light goes out, and then I'll see if it fits in the wheel. Way, light out. Right then, let's hope that fits in the wheel. Don't know why there's a locking wheel on here. I mean, who's going to nick these? And there, this here is our broken ABS sensor. As you can see, they just wear out and get wedged in there. So I'll get that out and see if our rear one will fit in its place. Right, let's give it a try. So don't worry, it's not just on the jack. We've got the wheel with a big chunk of sapele under here as well. This thing ain't going anywhere. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen. I'm just digging away at the old plastic around the edge. So hopefully it'll loosen up and I can pry it out from the bottom. this out. So, right then, let's see how we can make this one fit. I'm going to strip that. Nip this off there. Connect these together, seal it up. And then we've got the bracket and everything that we need to put that back tidy. Right, excuse the banging, my wife's fitting a new rotary line. Because, believe it or not, somebody stole some cord off it and ruined it. Who would steal cord off a rotary line? You know what, the strange thing about undoing that string there to get this out is this was my dad's, and he was the last person to tie that up. He passed away like 4 years ago, so these little things crop up every now and again and they catch you out. Right. So what I'm going to do, this is the cable off the correct front ABS sensor. This is the spare rear ABS sensor, but the cable's too short, it doesn't fit anywhere. So I'm going to nip these off here, actually a bit further up, give me a bit more wire to play with. And I'm going to strip this back and I'm going to solder them up and make a nice long cable, which should fit. It'll have the right brackets on it. I will chop this old bracket off because we don't need that, that's the wrong one. So I will get the angle grinder on that in a minute. Right, let's get this made. So we want to give ourselves as much cable as possible actually, don't we? So we don't need that. So that can come off. And then on here, we need to strip that.
Hello. What you eating now? What? Why are you doing that?
Right. Lube it up and see if we can tap it in. And there we are. A couple of little love taps with the Persuadertron, and it's all in. All bolted back on. That there won't come down to the steering, so that should be okay. I might put another cable tie on it there, just to keep it away from everything. Don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but it's going to get us through an MOT. Right, let's get this wheel back on and then check that it still works on the dash. So it's the next day. I've checked by driving up and down my driveway, because I can't drive out on the road, it hasn't got empty. And the ABS light seems to be staying off, which is good, so that's worked. Been crawling around underneath. I found 4 patches of welding, so I need to do that next. So I'll see if I can get this van over my mate's pit. And the blooming front end relay is gone again. You know, the 2H270 relays that you get on the front of Bongos. One runs the front lights, one runs back lights, and one of those is gone. So I got to get hold of one of those, and then hopefully should be ready for an MOT. So if you like what I'm doing, guys, please do like and subscribe, and I will catch you all soon. Thank you very much.